Thank you so much. Okay, so we just wanted to say thank yous to all of our workshop session planners, presenters, and panelists, first off. It has been a great workshop, a lot of great discussion, great participation from the audience. And we really want to thank David Reisner, Michelle Campbell, and Josephine Norquist, who are part of our workshop planning team and have been really helping us to have a vision for the workshop as a whole. Want to thank the presenters and panelists from each session, Jesse Becker, Robin Bent, Selena Daniels, Lily Gerard, Johannes Geisinger, Laura Lee Johnson, Kai Langell, Carla Mamelo, Annie Saha, and Margaret Vernon. So you all, we really appreciate all the time and effort you put into putting together your presentations, attending all our planning sessions, and contributing to the great content that we had at this year's workshop. And when goes without saying, we want to thank our c-path COA program team. We have such a wonderful team. Many of us working together behind the scenes to make this workshop a success and to contribute to all the work that we are doing within the COA program as a whole. So I'd like to thank Stephen Coons, Sadi Kern, Maria Matera, who did double duty as both moderator and presenter, Lindsay Murray, Beck Speck, also doing double duty as moderator and presenter, and to our project management and support staff team, Maddie Bowen, Barbara Brandt, T. Griffey, April Hawthorne, Taryn Ho, Kristen Knoll, and Janelle Russell. And I really want to do a special shout out to T. She did so much work behind the scenes to make sure everything ran smoothly and successfully, and we could not do it without her. You are the backbone of the COA program, T, so thank you so much. So as always, thank you to the scientists, clinicians that represent our PRO Consortium member firms on our working groups, committees, and subcommittees. And we also thank the patient organization representatives and other non-member participants who provide valuable expertise and insight to our working groups and subcommittees. It is truly a group effort. It does take a village to do the work that we do within the COA program and the PRO Consortium. So Stephen has some closing thoughts, so I wanted to turn things over to Stephen for a few words. Stephen.
Thank you, Sonia. And I realize we are now at the top of the hour, so I just wanted to let you all know that this is, well, I guess I should introduce myself to those of you who don't know me. I'm Stephen Joel Coons. I'm the Senior VP for c-path's COA program, and I will be retiring at the end of this year. So this is the last PRO Consortium workshop I'll be attending while in a leadership role at the Critical Path Institute. And so we will be actively searching for the right person to be c-path's vice president for the COA program. But I just want to say a couple things. Over the past 13 years, I have had the privilege to work with so many profoundly gifted and dedicated people. And I've learned so much from my c-path colleagues, FDA scientists, patient representatives, and scientists and staff in all the other organizations with whom we've collaborated. And the success of the PRO Consortium and c-path's COA program overall is due less to me than it is to the talented people inside and outside of c-path that we've been able to bring together to accomplish our goals. So I really do feel that this job that I've been in the last 13 years has really been the highlight of my professional career because of the people with whom I've been able to interact and actually make progress on a number of important issues. So with that said, I'll end by thanking all of you for participating in the 13th annual PRO Consortium workshop. I look forward to many PRO Consortium workshops in the future. I know Sonia, I've left things in good hands with Sonia, Lindsay, and Scotty leading the COA program's 3 consortia, and a capably led team by T. Griffey in terms of our support staff. So I know there are good things to come. And I do want to express my heartfelt gratitude to those of you who have enabled me to have such a fulfilling job over the past 13 years, and you know who you are. So again, thanks all for your attendance, and take care, everybody.
Thank you so much, Stephen. And I'd like to ask all the panelists to come off mute if you can, so we can give Stephen a round of applause and thank you for all his hard work over the years. Hope everyone's off mute. Let's clap for Stephen. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So just go to one last. So thank you as well. We really appreciate all the workshop attendees who also make this workshop a success. I've posted some links in the chat for those of you who have asked over time, you know, where can we get the slides? Those will be available at the end of next month at our past workshops link, but there's currently this workshop link where the posters are available now. And we really would like to get your feedback. So please complete the feedback form. We will take your feedback into consideration and use it to improve our workshop for next year, which we hope will be in person once again. So thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate all your participation and your attention during these last 2 days, and we wish you all a good day. So thank you so much.